Hello, welcome to everyone. This is Eliezer. I'm eagerly going to discuss about many videos in the future, and today I am going to start my favorite topic, English language. It's important nowadays to deal with communications, various types of communications. So soon in the future, we will be discussing many videos in connection with communication related videos, personality development videos, how to speak in English fluently, many videos, and so on. I'm really happily welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. This is my first video, and I'm really excited to teach you online. So today we are going to discuss about types of personalities. What are the types of personalities? So we have a lot of personalities in our day-to-day life. We are seeing a lot of personality traits, and so everyone else in this world, and having different type of behavior, and they are showing the different behavioral methodologies. So medical people and engineering people, and there are a lot of professional behaviors are there. So today we are going to discuss about extrovert, introvert, and ambivert. So this is the different topic, and mostly interested topic, and because I am very much interested in English language learning methodologies and four types of speaking, listening, writing, and reading. So I am very much interested in it. So today I am going to talk about the types of personalities. So one of the type of personalities are extrovert, introvert, and ambivert. Okay, let us move into the topic. First one, extrovert. What is meant by extrovert? Extroverts are those people who gain energy by being around people. They are extremely friendly and who love discussing their ideas with others, or simply love spending time socially. So extrovert people, the people who are having such personality trait as extrovert, having such, they are going to be socially, eh, so they are going to be very much interested in social ethics and social behaviors, and they will be very touching with social people. Okay, so there will be four things, phrases you could use to say you are an extrovert. So if you want to say an extrovert, I am an extrovert, and if you want to say, if you would like to say you are an extrovert, and there are some categories. So first one, I am really outgoing. Second one, I am gregarious person. Third one, I am a social butterfly, and fourth one, I am very friendly. Okay, first one, if you want to be an extrovert, and you should have such behavior, I am really outgoing, someone who is socially confident. So you should be mingling with the social people, and you are able to take all kind of decisions, and you are able to discuss with various types of people, and that means you are totally, uh, you are a right person, and you are the fittest person with dealing with everyone, and you will be accepting all the ideas and methodologies, and how to implement such decisions, as you are an head, or as you are a leader, and how to start implementing such ideas to uplift the organization. Okay, so if you want to uplift the organization, you should be an extrovert. So you should be socially confident. You ought to be confident on what you are doing. You should be confident. You should try avoiding negative aspects. You should not be the negative one. You should avoid negativities. Okay. And second point, I am a gregarious person. Gregarious means you are sociable and you love being around people. So always, you can see in this world, and some people are there, and rare people are there, that people always will be with the friends. Okay, so they like to be with everyone all the time. They don't want to be alone. They don't want to be alone. They want to be with, discussing many things around many people. So they will be seeing many people in a day itself, and they will be they will be flexible with everyone. Okay, so they will be in the mood of accepting all the uh, you know all the suggestions, all the ideas, implementations in connection with the improvement. Okay, so you should be a gregarious person to be socially liable with all the people around the people, and you should like people around us. You should be like people around us. Okay, someone who love discussing ideas openly. Okay, so being a gregarious person and wanting to be an extrovert, you should discuss ideas so openly amongst the social people. Okay, so you should be the open minded person. Some people are there, open hearted people, open minded people. You should be like that, then only you can be an extrovert. Okay, next one, I am a social butterfly. This means you are friendly and love being socially active and are easily approachable. So you should be in the position of approached by everyone. Okay, so some people will think that this man is easily approachable. This man is the fittest man and nice man, and he can be approached easily. So other people should think like that. So if you want to be an extrovert, and you should be having such characteristics behavior. You should be the social butterfly. Social butterfly means you should go around everywhere and mixing all the ideas from various people, and you should be approachable to everyone and should be liable to everyone. You should be flexible with everyone and their ideas. You should not oppose their ideas. Okay, I am very friendly. I am very friendly. You could be friends with anyone anytime. So some people are there and making friends with one such groups, and do not get mingled with another groups. Not like that. If you want to be an extrovert, you should be flexible with everyone and you should be friendly with everyone. You should make a friends with everyone, whatever background they are from. Okay, so under an extrovert category, we have discussed four things. One is you should be a socially confident, and the second point is you should be a gregarious person. That means you should love discussing with everyone, and you should love discuss with all the ideas with everyone, and you should like being around with every people all the time. Okay, and you should be a social butterfly. That means you should love being socially active and you should be approachable with everyone. Okay, so any time at any by anybody else can be approached by you. And you should be a friendly one. Okay, that is come to everything. Next, introvert. What is meant by introvert? The term introverts define that the people who are not very confident about themselves. Okay, so this is not belonging to the negative people. The people who are having such negative activity, it is not like that, but they are not less confident. They are not shy, but they are not shy. They avoid interactions with others, and they are very emotional, and they are liable with some particular group of people, not socially. Okay, social means what? So under an extrovert category, the one who is discussing their ideas and their views with everyone, and they are in the mood of accepting applications and suggestions and implementing systematic things with everybody else and whatever or whoever they are. But in this category of introvert, if you want to be an introvert, and you should that means the people who are having less confident and about themselves, and they are not shy, but they are not shy, they will avoid interacting with the social people. So okay, so they will be always discussing with such kind of people. Okay, grouping. So phrases. Here we have three phrases to discuss as 3 points. Okay, I am kind of reserved, and second one, I like to spend time with close friends. I usually listen more than I speak. First one, I'm a kind of reserved. This means you are a very private person. You share things with limited people. So as I said earlier, that this type of people having a particular group. So there only they will be discussing their ideas. Okay. So it's a private people. Private people means they will not come to discuss their ideas openly, and they are not going to be then a voluntary person. They will not share their ideas, and they will not get ideas from other people, and they are not easily approachable. And we cannot approach them easily, and we cannot talk some ideas, and we cannot give implementable ideas with them easily. So because they will not accept their suggestions and views, others' views. Okay, but they will be fitting with one group of people, but they will act what they are saying. They will act what they are saying. That is the main thing under the category of an introvert. Okay, so they are the private people and having conversation with a group of people, and they will be working, and they will not come to discuss openly with other people other than their group members. Okay, I would like to spend time with the close friends. So as I said, this first point and the second point is matchable. Okay, because you restrict yourself from making many friends, and are very choosy about making friends. Okay, so they are filtering the applications from the friendship. Even friendship is free, right? Okay, but they will be rejecting friendships, and they will be rejecting many ideas, many views from their friend circles and everything. Okay, you restrict yourself from making many friends, so they will not make many friends. They will have limited friends, and with that group they will be discussing everything, and they will be spending their time with such group of people. Okay, so one group, so limited group, limited friends, limited sharing of ideas. Okay, but they are not shy. They will come openly, but they will not open their ideas. It should be like secret, confidential. Okay, so these people are having confidential ideas. Next point, and the last point under the category of introvert, I usually listen more than I speak. You generally like to listen carefully and won't share your opinion or ideas openly and socially. Okay, so this is just opposite to the extrovert, because introvert people just opposite to the extrovert people, and extrovert when we come to discuss about the extrovert people, they will discuss their ideas and suggestions and implementations openly and socially, but these people are not socially opening their ideas, and they will not come up with ideas to discuss with the blog people. Okay, so they will not share their ideas, they will not share ideas openly. Okay, that is the problem of being an introvert. Okay, so but these people will listen more from everyone, but they accents speak louder than words, right? But it is very good, but generally like to listen carefully. So they will listen carefully, they will listen attentively and work, but they will not talk more, and they will not share their ideas with any people. Okay, last one, ambivert. So ambivert is nothing but is a combination of an introvert and an extrovert. Okay, so these people who are belonging to the ambivert and having the methodology of introvert people and extrovert people. Okay, let me read out the definitions of ambivert. Ambiverts are generally who have a balance of extroverts and introverts in their personality. Who have a balance of extroverts and introverts. So they will be balancing the ideas of introverts and extroverts. So they will be having they will be matching with the introvert as well as extrovert. Okay, so ambiverts are the combination of introvert and extrovert. Okay, these people often behave like a introvert people, not extrovert people. Okay, fine. So they will be mingling with both the group of people. That means their ideas, their views, their acting methodology are greatly depend upon both the categories. Okay, so they will be lying at both categories. Okay, fine. Phrases you could use to say you are an ambivert. There are 3 points under the category of ambivert. I alter my personality based on the situation. Second point, when a topic of interest comes up, I am more than happy to talk about it. Third one, spending too much of time with other people can be exhausting. Okay, let us discuss one by one. I alter my personality based on the situation. What is the meaning of altering the personality? That means You should alter the personality, because if you are in the midst of both introvert and extrovert, what will you do? Okay, so you cannot come to the classify the category of an introvert or an extrovert. So you should take some decisions, and you should pick up some points from introvert as well as extrovert. You should behave like introvert as well as extrovert. Okay, so based on the situation, you'll change your mood. That means you are able to adjust with the extroverts and introverts based on the situations. So what is best, what is good, and they will try to select. That is a important thing, and the advantage of what we call being an ambivert. Okay, so this group of people will share some of the ideas openly, and will not share some of the ideas openly. Okay, so they will be having some secret, that means confidential things, as well as non-confidential things, and they will share some things to the people. Okay, so that they will get some ideas, and they will implement many things, and some of the things cannot be opened by them. Okay, so that will be taken as a secret things and confidential things. Fine. Next thing. When a topic of interest comes up, I am more than happy to talk about it. If it is your subject of conversation, you would display the qualities of an extrovert and vice versa. Okay, so subject of conversation. Okay, so you will be happy to talk about it. That is what I am like to say. That means some of the ideas can be shared by many people. Okay, so they will not be fitting with one group of people, nor with many people. Okay, so what I want to say is, they will be having, sometimes they will be having many friends, sometimes they will be with one group of people. Okay, so they will be having both the characteristics, behaviors. Okay, so if the subject of conversation is good, and they will come up with ideas. So if the subject is good, if the concept is good, and they will discuss with many people, and they will share their ideas with many people. If the subject is not good, and they will not take it, okay. Vice versa. Spending too much of time with other people can be exhausting. You should not should, and you like to spend time with many people, but not too much of time. So too much of anything is good for nothing. That is another thing. But this group of people, for their benefit, and they will be sharing their ideas and views with a particular group of people, or with a socially liable, and maybe the sort of social butterfly this group of people are. And but they will not share everything openly. Okay, fine. So, but they cannot hold on to it for a long time. You are social, but not a social butterfly. You are social. You are going to share your ideas with the social people, but it is not what we call a sort of social butterfly. You are not socially flexible. So you will ask many ideas, but implementation is in your hand. Okay, so you will never you will ask many people, but you will never accept various things, and so you will run your ideas on your own. That is the main thing. Okay, so under this category, so I believe that you people are understood what I have taught, and it is a longest conversation. Okay, so first I have told you an extrovert, and second one an introvert, and third one is an ambivert. So let me recall one more time. Extroverts are the people who are like to being around many people, and they are having confident, and they will be the gregarious people, and they are a social butterfly. That means socially flexible. They will be socially flexible with various group of people, and they are friendly people. Second point, introverts are those people who are not confident, or but they are not shy. Okay, less confident people, and these people are having limited friendship. These people are cult with the private people, and they like to spend time with close friends only. Close friends only. Okay, so they will not have many friends, but they have only close friends, and in which they will discuss their ideas and their views. Uh, they will listen more than speak. Okay, ambivert people are the people who are having both the characteristics of being an introvert and extrovert. Okay, so first point, they will alter their personality based on the situation. So they will choose uh, whether to behave like an introvert or an extrovert. Okay, based on the situation. Okay, this is good. When a topic of interest comes up, I am more than happy to talk about it. So if the topic is good, and they will be coming to discuss with the social people, and when the topic is not good, they will never come, and they will be discussing with one certain group of people. Okay, fine. They will change their ideas and their views. Okay, spending too much of time with other people can be exhausting. So they will spend more time, but they will not hold on to it. So it is not for a long time. Okay, so these people are limited people. Okay, this is actually best in my view. Okay, thank you, thank you all, and we'll be discussing many things. And please keep on connecting with us for videos from English, Maths, Science, and Electrical Engineering.